Mister Universe Canary Islands 2025 confirmed. Renowned promoter Mr. José Domingo recently visited the IFBB office in Madrid for a meeting with President Santonja. It was confirmed that a new edition of Mister Universe Canary Islands will take place from October 3rd to 5th in Arona, Tenerife. This event has the invaluable support of the Arona City Council under the leadership of Mayor Ms. Fátima Lemes, who has pledged to contribute to the success of this edition. Mr. Universe Canary Islands has already established an impressive international reputation, thanks to the exceptional facilities of the Piramide de Arona, where it is held, and the outstanding effort of its organizer. This year, the event will also incorporate the Fitness Sport Games competition. Both the IFBB and the Spanish Federation are collaborating to provide maximum support for this event, which aims to become a globally recognized classic in our sport.